Hi everybody, my name is Talia Carlson and I'm this year's director of HackATL.
My name is John Moon. I placed second place in HackATL.
My name is Angela and I participated in HackATL last year by group Asaga.
My name is Veena Jaypradeep and I'm one of the directors for HackATL.
My name is Peyton Chin and my group was DNCZ last year and we placed first place at HackATL.
So here are a couple things that I have for you guys to kind of get started with HackATL.
So I would say one of the biggest things that you need to be prepared for is having a very passionate idea. So when you're presenting your pitch to the judges, they can tell if you're sincere or not. And also if you're passionate about the topic, then it makes it a lot easier to build your business around it.
I would recommend really searching up the issues you're most passionate about. You can kind of go in with an idea of how to tackle the prompt, which is promoting social progress in a way that's meaningful to your own experience.
Be open to the idea that you don't specifically have a team already prepared for HackATL. For our team, Asaga, we had maybe 3 people or 2 other people that I knew in the team, and we didn't really have a general idea of what we're going to do as a company, but we were just networking and opening to different people. I think just being open to meeting new people allowed us to really have a really great and diverse team that had a lot of different skills that we wouldn't have had otherwise if we just stick with a normal friend group.
I think one of the biggest ways and best advice I can give is definitely read our education packet. And one of our members, Michelle Hub, worked so hard on putting together a packet that will really help participants go from A to Z on building a startup.
I would say that the most important thing is to have fun and don't be intimidated by other people around you. Really just have fun with it and learn as you go and make new friends and make new memories and learn new things while you're there.
And be prepared to have no sleep for 48 hours because honestly it takes a lot of time to be able to create your whole pitch, a working prototype and everything.
As well as lastly, I think the best thing is to watch our post HackATL from last year team interview video. It talks a lot about how the teams went through different struggles coming with their ideas and how in the end the winners came to be. And honestly, their advice is really good, and maybe stop them around campus because they're all around campus and you can definitely find them. But so excited to see you guys!
All right, say something.
Hello, this is Veena Jaypradeep reporting live at the scene.